Children, you are going to learn about function library. What is function library? It is a place where all the functions are kept together. Why we use function library? Because there are many functions defined in Excel and it is beyond the capacity of a person to remember the name and functionality of each one of them. To overcome it, Excel has clubbed all the functions in the function library group of formulas tab. Here is the formulas tab. Click on it. This is the function library group. In this group, the insert function is one of the options in the function library group which helps us in creating a formula. Let us explore this option. Click on the cell in which you want to enter a formula. Click on the insert function button present on the formulas tab or click on the insert function button present on the formula bar. Either of these will launch the insert dialog box and an equal to sign will be placed in the cell. In the insert function dialog box, you can search for the function by typing a brief description of what you want to do in the search for a function text box. In case you do not remember the name of the function, for example, add numbers. If you do not know the exact name of the function to add numbers, you just write in the search for a function add numbers, enclose it within double quote and click on go. Here is the suggestion. Select a function. Okay. In the or select a category list box, you can select the category of the function like maths and trigonometry, date and time, text, whatever you want to select, you can select it from here. If you are not familiar with the categories, you can select all, which will display an alphabetic list of all the functions in the select a function display list box. Select the desired function from the displayed list and then click on OK. Suppose we want to calculate greatest common divisor. GCD. Click on OK. Function argument dialog box is present here. Write the argument B8 to D8. This is the cell range. B8 to D8. Click on. That is the highest common factor or greatest common divisor is calculated by using the insert function. Another example, to find the least common multiple. Go to insert function, choose LCM, click on OK. Write the argument B15 to D15. 15. B 15 to B 15. This is the cell reference, range of cell reference. Click on OK. So children, it is clear to all of you how to use function library to insert a formula. Our next topic is managing worksheet. In this, you will learn about renaming a worksheet, deleting a worksheet, and changing color of a sheet tab. To rename a worksheet, suppose sheet 2 name is given here and we want to change it here as a kips. Children, by default, Excel displays 3 sheets in a worksheet and named as sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. But we can add as many sheets as we require and assign any name to them. Let us do it practically. To assign a name, new name kips to the sheet tab 2. There are two methods. One is double click on it. It is highlighted. Start writing the name, whatever you want to write. Other one is right click on it, choose rename option. It is highlighted. Write the name, whatever you want to write. Kips is written here. Okay. Next, how to delete a worksheet? Right click on the sheet which you want to delete and select delete. I am not going to delete any sheet here. Okay. Next, changing color of a sheet tab. Right click on the sheet tab and select the color tab option from the shortcut menu. Select any color from the displayed choices and observe the change. Color is changed here. So children, here is the end of chapter 2, formulas and functions. Try to do practice activity section given in the exercise.